In this lesson, we will learn about tabbed panels in Dreamweaver. Tabbed panels help us to save the space in a web page. They also help us to organize the content for easy access. Here in this page, we have information about 4 different types of paint booths in a paragraph fashion. This information is typed one after the other. For a user who views this web page, he has to scroll the page up and down to read all this information. We can set this complete information in a tabbed panel, so by that we can save the space. At the same time, it will be very easy for access. First, let us see about the tabbed panel. To insert a Spry Tab Panel, place the mouse cursor where we wanted to insert and go to the Layout panel and click on the Spry Tab Panels icon. Now, a Spry Tab Panel is inserted. By default, it has 2 panels named as Tab 1 and Tab 2. We can rename the tabs with the headings that we want. Here in the web page, we have 4 paragraphs named as Metal Base, Floor Mounted, Glass Type and Prefab Type. Here we have only 2 tabs, so we need 2 more extra tabs. To add up new tabs, select the Spry Tab Panel, go to their properties, and in the panels area, click on the plus symbol to add a tab. Tab 3 and Tab 4. Now we can rename the Tab 3 as Glass Type and Tab 4 as Prefab Type. Now click on the Metal Base type, and here we have a text showing content 1. So in this area we can paste the content of Metal Base Paint Booth. In the same way, go to Floor Mount tab, take the text from Floor Mounted Paint Booth and paste it in this panel. And go to the Glass Type, copy the content of the Glass Type and paste it here. And for the last one, copy the Prefab Type text, go to the last panel, paste it here. In this way, we have entered this whole text into a single panel. Now, let us preview this tabbed panel in the browser. Save the file. Now let us look at the tabbed panel. So in this way, just by clicking on the tab, we can view the information about that particular category. This is how a Spry Tab Panel is inserted in Dreamweaver. Now let us see about the accordion. To insert the accordion, keep the mouse cursor in place and click on Insert Spry Accordion icon from the Layout panel. Here is the Spry Accordion. Again, the Spry Accordion has got 2 panels by default. As like the tabbed panel, here also we can insert some more panels. Select the Spry Accordion panel, click on the plus symbol to add panels and type the text. Now paste the content related to the particular heading. first the info about the metal base. Now the information about the floor mounted booth. Now about the glass type. Now about the last one, prefab type. Now let us preview this page in browser. This is how the Spry accordions work. Now let us see the last one, collapsible panel. To insert a collapsible panel, go to the Layout panel and click on Spry Collapsible Panel. Now a Spry Collapsible panel is inserted. This is almost like an accordion, but it has only one panel to insert. Now rename the title and paste the content in the content area. Let us preview this in the Internet Explorer. This is how a collapsible panel works. In this way, we can insert different types of Spry panels in Dreamweaver.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థాంక్యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.